What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan. I'm a part-time reseller based out of North Carolina, and today I'm just going to show you what a $5 mystery box on Facebook Marketplace is. So this, I just saw it and I was like, let's buy that, and I actually forgot I bought it, and I already cut the label off, obviously, and I opened it before I realized what it was, but let's jump right into this. Let's see what a $5 mystery box. It came out to be about right at $11 total after paying for shipping and stuff. So let's find out if this $5 mystery box from Facebook Marketplace is worth $10. And first thing I noticed once I opened it, it was shipped first class, and I opened this, and yeah. Don't do this. That's a big no-no. But anyways, let's get into this. Let's open it up. See what we got. I have no idea what to expect, to be honest. Let's see if we can open this without ruining the surprise. Nice. We got, at first I thought this was a hair. And I was gonna say, nice, we got a piece of hair, but yeah, we got some hair scrunchies. This is cool. I mean, I'll probably just use these myself, to be honest. I mean, got the flow going on, you know? Or my daughter, or my wife. The next item is Totally to Die For Dry Shampoo Sheets. On the go, totally convenient, no oil, no fuss. Dry shampoo. Okay. Yeah. Next thing we got. Is a wax melt. Yeah. God. Yeah, it's a baked apple pie wax melt. Which, yeah, I wasted my money, so you don't have to waste your money. Now, I will say, if you watched it this far, my next video, I'm going over my 1-year review of being a reseller and how I've sold over $100,000 in my first year, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway for a thermal printer. So, subscribe. Next thing that I got in this thing is, it's like a necklace. It's like a king, or I guess it'd be like a queen crown. Yeah. I think this is the last thing. It is, well, it has a price tag on it. It's a $1 brush. You know, this is pretty cool. I guess this will be alright for my daughter. But the real question is, would I spend $10 on these for my daughter? This definitely has no resale value. I don't even have my phone, but yeah, I don't know. Don't waste your money. It's not worth it.